streaming on TV on E!
Red Hot Declaration. Ogie Alcacid excited na to tie the knot with the Asia songbird Regine Velasquez. Ito'y matapos mapawalang bisa ng korte ang kanyang kasal with former wife Michelle Van Imeren. Ayon kay Ogie, bahagi daw ng entourage sina President Noynoy Aquino at megastar Sharon Cuneta. Now, Ogie refused to discuss further details about the wedding, pero during his press conference upcoming concert with Ryan Cabiab, inihayag ni Ogie na hindi niya pipigilan si Regine if she wishes to continue her career kahit kasal na sila. Here's Ogie's revelation.
I'd never allow her or let her stop singing because Regine is a jewel, no? In our industry. She's adored by many people, and she loves doing what she's doing. So I think she'll be very unhappy if she stops doing what she does best.
Last night sa SNN, nagbigay naman ng reaksyon ang dating asawa ni Ogie na si Michelle tungkol sa muling pagpapakasal nito.
I've always hoped for two of them to get married, even settle down and have a happy life together, and I'm just happy that they're finally tying the knot. I think it's wonderful, and I think everyone should be happy for them.